How to handle a personal injury claim involving a defective drug. Hello and welcome to today's videos. If you have been injured or suffered harm due to a defective drug, you may be entitled to compensation through a personal injury claim. Defective drug can cause a wide range of health issues, from mild side effect to life-threatening condition. In this video, we will walk through how to handle a personal injury claim if you have been injured by a defective drug, whether you have been prescribed a medication or have used an over-the-counter drug. We will explain the necessary steps to take in order to file a successful claim. Let's dive right in. Step first is seek immediate medical attention. The first step you should take after discovering that you have been injured by a defective drug is to seek immediate medical care. If possible, keep a list of all medication you have used, including dosage and the duration of use, as this will help your healthcare provider identify the potential connection between the drug and your injuries. And step second is report the injuries to the FDA or relevant authority. In the United States, the FDA, Food and Drug Administrator, monitor the safety of drugs. If you believe you have suffered from a defective drug, it is important to report the injuries to the FDA MedWatch program. Your doctor will be able to assess your injury and document the adverse effects caused by the drug. Step 3 is gather evidence of the defective drug. One of the most important aspects of filing a personal injury claim for a defective drug is gathering evidence. Here are some tips to help you collect the necessary information. First is medical record. This will help you demonstrate the injury's severity and link your health problem directly to the defective drug. And second is documentation of the drug. And third is labeling and warning. And fourth is prescription history. And fifth is witness statement. This could include family member, friends, or even healthcare provider who notice the adverse effect. Step 4 is determine the cause of the injuries. In a defective drug case, proving that the drug was the cause of your injury is crucial. It's not enough to simply show that you were injured. It must be proven that the drug directly caused your harm. There are several factors to consider in this process. First is timing. Was there a direct link between the timing of taking the medication and the onset of your injuries? Second is no side effect. If the manufacturer failed to properly warn consumer about the risk or provided inaccurate information, this could support your claim of product defect. And third is medical expert testimony. A doctor or a specialist can review your medical records, symptoms, and the drug's potential side effect to provide an expert opinion on whether the drug was responsible for your condition. And step 5 is identify the responsible parties. To win your personal injury claim, it is important to identify who is responsible for injuries. There could be several parties involved, including first is drug manufacturer. If the drug was defectively designed or the manufacturer failed to adequately warn consumer about potential risk. And second is pharmaceutical distributor. If the drug was improperly distributed, such as being sold with outdated label or packaging. Healthcare provider. And fourth is regulatory agency. Step 6 is consult a personal injury lawyer. They will also be able to negotiate with insurance companies, manage the legal networks, and represent you in court if necessary. Most importantly, they will help ensure you get the compensation you deserve for your injuries. Step 7 is file your personal injury claim. Once you have gathered evidence, identified the responsible party, and consulted with a lawyer, it is time to file your personal injury claim. In this claim, you will be seeking compensation for first is medical expenses. This include all past and future medical bills and lost wages if your injuries caused you to miss work. And third is pain and suffering, compensation for the physical and emotional distress caused by the defective drug. And fourth is punitive damage, in case of gross negligence or intentionally misconduct. And, and to summarize, handling a personal injury claim involving a defective drug required careful documentation, medical attention, and legal advice. By reporting your injuries to authority, gathering evidence, and identifying the responsible party, you can build a strong case. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful legal tips. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment below.